Welcome to day 3. I just want to go through a few things that you need to just kind of pay attention to. This should be Tuesday, April 7th for chemistry in the community. Just again, you need to make sure that you're signing in on the attendance page that's found in OneNote. Some of you are doing a good job. Some of you need to pick it up a little bit. The only way that I can give you any kind of attendance is that I see that you've signed in on the OneNote page. The other thing that I need you to do is pay attention to this video as to anything special that I need to let you know what we're doing. Things that we're going to be working on, old stuff. Some of you have gotten the lab turned in from Mass to Mass. That's going to actually be our last lab. According to the State Department of Education, we'll be in distance learning for the rest of the school year. So that means labs that I have in Summit that were going to be coming up aren't going to exist. I'll be exempting them if the project was assigned, and we'll have to just kind of deal with it and figure out what we need to do. We're still going to be doing the practice and mastery worksheets. There will still be some testing that I do as soon as I figure out how to do it in a distance learning situation. So hang on to your hats there. That'll be coming up. But what we're going to be looking at today is we're going to start this new unit on chemical reaction types. So there will be a Zoom lecture that I'm going to do today. You will see in your email what time I've scheduled it, and there'll also be the link for that. Just make sure your OneNote is syncing, because you should see that new section coming through so that you can follow along on the notes as I go through them here on Zoom, and also so that you will be able to either print off or copy the mastery and practice worksheets and be able to do them. So those will be new things that we're going to be working on. So check your email. I'll send a reminder out that says, we're going to do the Zoom at this time. Check your email for the Zoom link. And then I do expect you to be there at that time. I'll also record the Zoom lecture and post it in case you missed it, but it should be fairly easy to follow. Quick reminder on PFAs. To take them, I need to have all of the mastery worksheets accomplished and graded and mastered, and then you're going to just ask for the PFA in Remind. I'm still working on the mole and molecular or mass-to-mass PFA. So as soon as I get it done, I'll let you know on one of these daily videos, or I'll send a remind out that you can do that. So for those of you that are trying to catch up on PFAs or whatnot, that's the requirement now with the distance learning situation, that you actually have to have the mastery worksheets completed first before I'll let you take one of these PFAs. So again, today, later on, we'll be doing the Zoom lecture. I will send out an email as to the time. I usually give you guys about a half hour in class before we start that, but also check in your OneNote to make sure that that new unit on chemical reaction types, I put it out a couple of days ago, so it should be there by now. If you don't have it, you want to sync your notebook, and sometimes that also means you need to restart your computer if it's not syncing correctly. So be looking for the remind message to say, check your email so we can do the Zoom link. You can access it, and then we can move on from there. Okay, so I'll see you guys live later on. Have a good working time until I come on live.